Umbutho welutsha we-African National Congress ubambe uqhankqalazo ngaphandle kwamagumbi okusebenzela eziko loluntu lase-Ekurhuleni kusasa ngokunxulumene nentswela-ngqesho kulutsha. Lo mbutho uvakalisa inkxalabo ngenani elothusayo labantu abatsha abangaphangeliyo kula mmandla kwaye linike ibhunga likamasipala iintsuku ezingama-21 ukuba liqwalasele lo mba.
Uphiko lwentsha lwe-African National Congress phecelezi ANC Youth League Ekurhuleni limashele emahhovisi e-Civic Centre khona Ekurhuleni osukwini lanamhlanje behambisa uhla lwezikhalazo zabo. Phakathi kwezikhalazo zalentsha bakhala ngokuvalelwa ngaphandle kwentsha emathubeni ezomnotho nawomsebenzi edolobheni lase-Ekurhuleni. Bathi idolobha liyaqhubeka nokuqoka abantu abadala abangakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi ngendlela efanelekile.
We are gathered here today as young people of Ekurhuleni to submit a memorandum of understanding or memorandum of demands, in fact, to the executive mayor and the city manager of the city of Ekurhuleni. One of the crucial points that made us to come and picket today was the issue of the highest unemployment rate, which is almost at 40% in this city of ours, which is very alarming because we have got many young people who are qualified for positions, but they do not get employment in the city because they are deemed as inexperienced. But you will then ask yourself, where is one going to get experience if they are not given an opportunity to learn through the junior positions that are available in the city?
Kanusihlalo walenhlangano okanye wophiko lwentsha lwe-ANC uthi okubakhathaza kakhulu njengabantu abasha ukubona abantu abasha bevaleleka ngaphandle emathubeni omsebenzi.
We are saying to government, they must address the issue of unemployment now, because failure to do so will then lead to young people revolting against the current status quo, because we're not going to sit back and watch whilst our future is being destroyed by people who are nearing their graves right now. So we are saying government must look into creating employment opportunities. Government must look into funding SMMEs so that they can create employment. In that way, we address the crisis that might arise later.
Njengoba namhlanje behambiselo naloluhla lwezikhalazo zabo banqumela uhulumeni uGwayikatiki weyinsuku ezingama-21 ukuba phendule izikhalazo zabo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngingonobuhle wakwaNdlovu.
Ukandisise kulo elinqaku omnye wolutsha olungaphangeliyo uthathe inxaxheba okanye wathetha ngobunzima obungaphangeli ebongoza urhulumente ukuba andise iinzame zokujongana nale ngxaki.
As Silana, we are here to raise our issues as young people, that we're not getting any jobs. We need jobs, and we really hope that our concerns will be heard. You end up not knowing ukuthi wenzeni because see leskolweni, but we do try to apply, there's no luck. We need action, not irresponsible, if I may say, because if hakuna action bazos responder, but then there won't be any action taken. So Tina, as the youth, we need action ukuthi ithathe place.